G'day, this is Jason here from Forex Trading Watchdog, and today is Monday. Usually I do this after the close on Friday, but didn't have the time, so here we are. Okay, let's go and look at those divergence setups that gave us plenty of pips. Here we go. Okay, so we got a higher. This is the pound dollar 4 hour. We got a higher and a higher high. Okay, and we got a high. Hi, how are ya? Hi, how are ya? Yeah, we got a higher. We got a high and we got a higher low, and we got a lower high right there on the indicator of choice. Now, our entry point was right here. Yep. It doesn't always work 100% of the time. So, say we took the higher risk entry, which is right here, on the close of this candle down. Okay, our stop would have been right there, 119 pips. Okay, so that's a loser. However, then if we draw it again to this high and this low, what do we have, ladies and gentlemen? We have divergence once again. Now, a lot of traders, they'd go, they just suckered me on the sell fake right here. There's no way I'm going to try that trade again. When in reality, you should. Okay? So, if we took the high risk entry, which is this red candle down, just like this red candle down, okay? So we would have sold it there. Our stop would have been 134. And as you can see, it went to 133 right there. Close enough. Okay, you would have got your 119 pips back, plus you'd be up, like, say, plus 8, 9, 10 pips. Okay? So, we only made 8, 9, 10 pips in the pound. That's okay. Let's move on to the next one. Euro now. Okay? Euro, we had divergence right here. High to higher high. Boy, I can't talk. And to the low here. Okay, so I just cleared the frog out of my throat. You can hear me now. So, like I said, we had a high and a higher high and a high and a lower high on the indicator of choice. So, our entry, once again, would have been right here. Okay, this candle that comes down. That is the higher risk entry. Okay, so it's 129 pips. And it only went down 81. So we're still in that trade. Okay. Myself, you know, one of my trading rules is if you see like 80% of the target, or even 50%, you know, I'd lock in some pips, because why let a winner turn into a loser? Right? Right. So say we got locked in 10 pips here. Well, we've gotten stopped out now. Okay, so we have 10 there. Let's go to the Aussie now. And the Aussie did the same thing. They did a whole bunch of fake outs, man. Right here, high and higher high, and lower. So our entry would have been right there. Stop would have been 132. Our stop got hit. Okay. So then there's another trade. You would have just stretched it out to there. Stretch that out to there. Okay. And our entry on this one is there, 136 pips. And we got 150 pips there. So you would have hit your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. So you got 150 there, plus the other 20 from the euro and the pound. Let's go to the yen now. And the yen is 4 hour as well. So we got high and higher high. And we got high and lower high. And we would have got in right there. Our stop would have been 65 pips. So as you can see, it went down 260 pips. So if you would have held on to that sucker without a target, you would have cleaned up with that one. And now with the CAD, it also gave us sell fakes. Okay, they're suckering people in with all the pairs this week, or last week, I should say. So you have your low and lower low. Okay. And have your low and higher low on the indicator of choice. So you would have got long right here, and they would have came and got your stop right here, 120 pips. Pretty funny how all three fake outs, they're around 120, 124 pips, each one of them. Crazy. So that one, they came and they got the stop right here, the mother effers. Okay. So if we take that now and we put it to there, okay, like this, okay, we have divergence once again. So you would have got in long right there. Your stop would have been 156, and it went up like 200 pips. You would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. Now our best trade now was on gold, okay? Here is gold from last week, right here. Okay, so remember we did that double top last? Here we go. We got a low and a lower low and a pin bar. Gotta love the pin bars. And right here on the indicator, it's just screaming at you, buy, buy, buy now. So you would have got in right there. Stop would have been 278 pips. Okay, that's no problem. That's gold, baby. Woo! 278. Where do we see 278? Right there, before this big spike. Okay, but anyway, our total maximum pips potential. I'm not saying that you're going to get this many pips. I'm only saying the maximum potential was 465 pippers, man. And you know what? There's another trade too that's happening, but I won't show you that one this week. I'll show you that one next week. So anyway, if you like my trades, okay, and you want to come trade with me, okay, seriously, okay, I've decided to make trade signals. That's right. So if you come and you click on the link in the description box under this video, and you come to my blog, and you go down to the bottom, you'll see the offer. And the offer is get the Forex Divergence video course, okay, for $497, plus 12 months. That's right, 12 months of my trades in your email box in real time. I'm not talking about after the fact like I show you here. Like for example, I would have sent you an email right here, okay, and said buy gold, and I would have told you your stop, the price where it would have been, and I would have told you your 1-to-1 take profit. Okay, so this is what I decided to do now, because I know my signals will work. They're all based basically on the 4-hour and sometimes the weekly. So the weekly trades don't come very often, but when they do, wowza, they can really pack a punch, let me tell you. Let me just show you one of my weekly trades, okay? Right here. Here is the pound odd. Well, I should just leave that like that, okay? So as you can see, we have a high and a higher high over here, right? It's divergence. So your entry would have been right here, okay? You could have put your stop there, 960 points, or right up here, 1,225 pips. And as you can see, we've hit our target. So far it's went down 1,588 pips, okay? So, yes, it takes time for these trades to hit their target. It's on the weekly, right? But they do work, okay? Here's one right here. Ding, 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 ding. You would have got in right here. Okay, stop would have been 560 pips. There's 600 pips right there. There's the trade before this trade. Okay? So anyway, if you really want to seriously make thousands of pips in a year with no stress, no 5-minute, in and out trading, none of that. Just nice, calm, relaxed trades that you'll get, where you have lots of time to make your own decision whether you want to get in or not, because it's based on the 4 hour. It's not something you have to get the email and, oh, I got to go there now. Oh, shit, the price has moved 30 pips from my entry price. Oh, no. You don't have to worry about that stuff. Trading the 4 hour, okay? So anyway, if you're interested in getting great signals, sign up for my course, and you'll get the signals along with it. Thanks for listening, and have a great day.